Okay, so this is a special video to show how to attach orchids to a log. Now in this case, I have gaps on my log, and we're actually going to do one live on camera so you can see. So let's put this one, say, about here. Yeah. And what he does, he puts one on one side of the orchid. He uses the roofing nails. He doesn't go too far into the so that it touches the stem. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now we're going to do a larger one. We'll find a different space. Can we show them the roofing nails so they can see exactly what we're talking about? The reason we use these nails is because the heads of the roofing nails is what helps to hold the plant. It's like a little hat, helps to hold the plant. Okay, so in time your garden will look like this. Your logs will be filled to the point where you will start, in some of them you won't even be able to see the logs. Okay, let me know if you need more info. So I'm doing a third one. He's putting on either side of the stalk, just enough so that it holds it, not too tight because it's going to grow. And then you can even do that one up a little higher. Yes. No, you've gone through the leaf. Yes, right there. Yes. Yes. Just to give it the support it needs. There we go. That's it. And we're done. See, there it is. Okay. Show her. So now we're going for this blank space. And this is a dendrobium. He puts it on one side of the root. But it's not going through the stem. That's the thing you have to be careful. It's not going through the stem. The head of the nail is holding it in place, and it's not going through the roots. So it's more like device to just hold it until the roots attach naturally. Yes, that's it. And in time they will attach like all the others that have attached here, but you just leave the nails there. Okay, so let me know if that helps or if you need more information. Okay, so he's gone to get the things we need, but I want to show you some already done. So when you see what we're doing, you don't have to worry. They will come out okay. You just have to, when we show you how to do it, you'll get the results. Okay?